So friends, let's see today's lovely Moong Dal Chutney. Now here I've taken 2 cups of yellow moong dal and washed it really well under water thrice. And then I'm going to soak this in 4 cups of water for at least 5 to 6 hours. Now after 5 to 6 hours, I'm going to drain out all the water. And I'm going to grind this in my mixer jar till we get a nice coarse paste. So there should not be any water in the dal when you're grinding it. And once that is done, you're going to make it into a nice coarse paste like this. Transfer it to a bowl and set it aside. Now in a pan, I've added 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee. Once the ghee begins to melt and heat up, you're going to add 1/4 cup of chickpea flour or besan. Now we're going to fry this flour with the ghee really well for at least a whole minute till you get the aroma of the ghee. Now keep your flame between low and medium. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sauf or fennel seeds that I've just crushed in my mortar and pestle to a very coarse paste. Then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder. Next goes in 1 teaspoon of dhania powder or coriander powder. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of amchur powder or dry mango powder. Half a teaspoon of haldi powder or turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. And now you're going to mix this thing, all the ingredients really well, and you'll get this beautiful aroma of all the lovely spices, especially the fennel seeds or the sauf. Now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of homemade garam masala. I'll leave a link of how I prepare my garam masala at home. 1 teaspoon of asafoetida or hinga. And some salt to taste. So we're done with all our ingredients. We don't need to add anything more. Now all we have to do is just fry this mixture on a low to medium flame, continuously stirring it till this liquid mixture turns into a very, you get the aroma of the all the spices. And now you're going to add the moong dal, the paste. And you're going to mix all of this really well. And you'll see that this whole mixture will turn from a liquid mixture to a very dry consistency like a chutney. This takes about 4 minutes on a low to medium flame, continuously stirring. It's a very fast process. So once all of these spices get absorbed into the moong, immediately it will start hardening and then it will turn into a very coarse kind of a powder, like you will see. So within about 4 minutes, this entire mixture will dry up and turn into a lovely chutney kind of consistency. So this chutney can be had as as a side dish with any meal. That's it. See friends how it looks now. Doesn't it look like a real chutney, like a lasun tikhat chutney? So do try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section below how you like this chutney recipe. And I'll leave a link to all my other chutney recipes in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video by hitting the thumbs up icon, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell, and once you have, then click on the all option. That way whenever I put up a new recipe, you will get a message for the same. Do visit my channel. I've got about more than 800 recipes as of now. And thank you so much for being here. Take care of yourselves. God bless. And I'll catch you soon in my next video. This is Akshata signing off. Bye.